Yes, today we are going to learn on how to assemble a chandelier, a very beautiful light, and how it's very simple to assemble it. As you can see, it has a lot of decorations, and when arranging you start with the small ones, and now it comes with a Bluetooth and a flash disk and a remote, where this is the place you fix your flash disk, and this is where the remote senses. So you can see it has bulbs, it's full of LEDs. So at the back it's wiring, very complicated to some. So this wiring has LEDs, you can see it has speakers, you listen to the music, and then we have the wiring of the LEDs, and then the bulbs. So this is a very beautiful light, or rather we call it chandelier. So you just press one after the other. You press like this, then it goes in like that all around. This assembling it can take you up to from 2 to 3 hours. As we assemble it, since to save time, I'll show you the next step. So I'll go around and finish fixing these small parts all round like this. Yes, these are modern lights, modern chandeliers, very expensive. We fixed another one, but this one is simple, not like the one I'm fixing now. You can fix that one in less than 10 minutes. So I finished putting these outermost decorations. Now you connect these balls all round again. In the second line you connect all these balls. First you connect these two decorations like this, you attach it to the other like this. For someone who doesn't know, if you make a small mistake, you will start afresh. So you can see you fix this ball, and then you fix it to this. There is a provision for the fixing that. So it's fixed like that. Again, you go all round. You go all round like that. Yeah. Go around like that till you finish this second line. After finishing this second line, again you go to the fourth line, which you fix these small decorations. You attach to one another again, then you fixed to the third line. Now we are going to the third line, which you fix again these balls, but as they go to the middle, you continue adding so that the middle ones become longer like that. Then we have, this is after we have finished the fourth line. This is how it looks. You can play your music there. You don't have to buy a radio system. It has music and very beautiful. Right now we are testing it. This is it can change colors, whether you want blue, bright, warm white, just like that. And then we have a smaller one which we fixed earlier, that one. we fixed it earlier. Yeah, very beautiful chandeliers. So if you want them fixed for you, contact us. Etembe Electrical NKR. You can see. Thank you for watching Etembe Electricals. Like and subscribe for the next videos. Thank you.